Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Also, it's April now. It rained yesterday. I feel a little bit cold today. So I want to make some soups which calls 3 delicacy mushroom soup. These are all the ingredients for making this soup. If you also want to make this soup, you don't have to choose the same ingredients as I did. The first of the 3 delicacies refers to meat, so this time I choose ham. The second delicacy refers to eggs, and the third delicacy refers to seafood. This time I choose katsuobushi. Some people may have a question, why did I choose a Japanese ingredient? It's because this is the only seafood left in my home. You can also choose some seafood according to the situation in your location, such as big prawns, crabs, and so on. As for the mushrooms, this time I chose white jade mushrooms. They are very common in China. You can also make your choice according to the mushrooms ingredients available in your local area. First of all, we need to cut the mushrooms. Cut off their roots and separate the clustered mushroom. Shred the ham. Cut the scallops. Crack an egg into the bowl. Next, we prepare some water starch. Next way, we turn on the power and pour the edible oil. When the oil temperature rises, we pour in the egg and keep stir frying. Add the sliced scallions. It is warm water that we should pour in. Cover the pot with a lid and wait for the water to boil. After the water boils, we can see that the soup has turned milky white. At this time, we add the mushrooms and the ham. Then we add a little warm water. In fact, this step is because we put too little water at the beginning. So I need to add a little more. If we had put a lot of water in the beginning, there would be no need for this step. After the water boils again, we add the katsuobushi. Now let's start seasoning. Add 2 grams of salt and some monosodium glutamate. Then we add the water starch in small amounts and multiple times. In fact, the amount of water starch is determined according to your preferences. If you like a thinner soup, you don't need to add water starch. If you prefer a thicker soup, add a little more. Finally, sprinkle a little pepper and this dish is done. Okay, let me taste this soup. Oh. Very delicious. The taste with saltiness and mainly with the freshness. This one, it's made by wheat flour. The English, how to say 花卷? Let me check. The English called steamed twisted roll or steamed sparrow roll. Because this side may be a flower, maybe a flower, a little bit abstract. Okay, this may be flower. So in China, we often call it the plume of flower. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye.